Okay, let's start creating fresh Laravel project. So I'm going to go to the shell. So I'm going to type the command composer create hyphen project Laravel slash Laravel, then the name of our Laravel project, which is demo. So demo will be the name of our Laravel project for this activity. Press enter. So this will take a while. Okay, we are almost done with the installation. So we're done with the installation of Laravel project. So let's look at the freshly installed project. So I'm going to type dir. Wait, going to type dir. Look for demo. So this is the demo. Okay, cd demo. And let's display the content of the demo. So we are good with the installation. Okay, so let's close this one and let's open the project with Visual Studio Code. Okay, file, oh, file, open folder. So let's look for demo. Okay, so let's open a terminal. Let's activate the Laravel development server. PHP artisan serve. And let's right click this, control click this one to see the default output for the Laravel demo project. So this is the default. Okay, so all is working. Okay, let's minimize this one. Too big. Okay, so let's open the next lesson, which is lesson 6. So for lesson 6, this is our lesson is control structure shortcut. Okay, so these are the examples. So when we say control structures, these are statement in PHP. If you're familiar with if statement, for statement, while statement. So Laravel has this shortcut in writing this control structure. Okay, so they provide a convenient syntax for this common PHP control structure. Okay, each of the control structure begin with this format and ends with this. So let's try to create a document. Okay, so let's go to resources, view, and let's create a folder name demo. So we have folder name demo. Inside demo, inside demo, let's create another. Let's create a file. Okay, I'll delete this first. Okay, so I'm going to create another new folder, name demo. Right click, then new file. So let's create a layout first before we continue. Layout.blade.php. Now I think on the PDF we already have here the code for our layout. So I'll just copy paste. Okay, so this is the the the, the document I am referring to. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here for our layout blade. So I'm going to format it a little bit for easy reading. And we have here div hr. Okay. And we have here the copyright. Mhm. Based on this program, we have yield, which is we specify the title of the name of our title, or the name of the window or the title bar, and it is prefixed with demo. So whatever the title we provide would have a prefix demo dash. Okay, demo then dash. Then we have here inside each one we have topics. So whatever the topic we put in our child document would be appearing here inside the H1. Then for the content, we have HR. Before the content, we have HR. So under the HR tag, we will have the content and a line break, 3 line break, then another HR before the footer, which is copyright, the copyright symbol, then 2000, then the date, the year today. Okay, I'm going to save this work. So to save it, file, save. So this is already saved. Okay, so what's next? So what is the file name that we are intended to do? Okay, so we are advised to create a demo one that blade. Okay, so let's create a demo one that blade. So let's have another one inside this demo, new file. So the name would be demo one dot blade dot php. So I'm going to hit the enter button and have the blade. So I'm going to copy. Okay, I'm going to copy this one and paste it on the demo1.blade.php. Paste. Okay, so I think you will not be, you will just press enter for this. So demo. So we are inside the folder demo. That's why we specify demo.layout. This is the error that we commit last lesson. We forgot to put the name of the folder, then demo.layout. So my title. So the name would be my title for the layout. So that is the title. Okay. And the title would be if statement. So from the layout, you will be having here demo, then if statement. So the title would be demo if statement. And you yield topic. So the topic would be using if directives, and then the content, these are the contents. I'm going to save this one. Save. So this is the if directives of the blade of Laravel. So if I'm going to convert this to a PHP, a traditional way of coding this in a PHP way, so this will be it. Okay, so I have to add this this tag and this one with this one. Okay, so inside the if statement, inside your PHP, you have to type if, then the condition, which is 10 is equals to 10, then you have to have this curl and use the keyword echo, right? Echo, then double quote equal I forgot to add h3. Got to add h3, then equals, then 10, 10, and slash h3. So this is how we do it in PHP. Then it terminated. So we terminate the if statement. So we terminate it. And let's press enter for another if statement. So I'm going to copy this to lessen the time for typing. So I'm just going to remove the directives symbol, and I'm going to convert this in a traditional PHP way. Okay, so we have here echo. So this is the reverse one. I'm doing a reverse one. Okay. the else statement. So here we will provide a curl and another curl and this. So I have to put echo, double quote, semicolon, and we don't need to use this end if. Instead of end if, we use this curl to say to inform that PHP that we end this the else statement. So far this is the code for this one. Okay, so for the meantime, we're going to delete this one, and let's see what will be the outcome of our code. So I'm going to save it, file, save, and before we go to the browser, so you have to add a route, okay, web route, then so let's add the route for demo one, and the file name is inside the folder demo one. Okay. Save our route. Let's go back to demo one. So that is the layout. Then let's try it. Let's go to the browser. Where's the browser? Okay, this is the browser. So let's call demo one. So this will be the output. 10 is equals to 10, not equal to 10. Okay, so let's analyze the code. So we have here if 10 is equals to 10, so we have a number 10 definitely is equals to 10. So meaning to say the condition is true. So this will be printed. This line will be printed. Then H3 equals 10. So definitely this one will be printed on the browser. So this is the output. This one will be the output. It has an output. And let's see. I'm going to minimize the other window. Then the next statement is a if else statement. So a 10 is equals to 12. Definitely it's not equals to 12. So it will print echo H3 not equal, then 10 is not equal to 10. So instead of this one, kasi we have a false statement, so the else statement will be printed. So this should be displayed in our browser. Yeah. Okay. Now, this is the PHP, the traditional way of writing the if and or if statement in PHP. Okay. Now, if we want to convert this to using Blades control structure shortcut, so we did this. Going to eliminate this. Okay. And we have to use this directive symbol. Okay. We don't need this. And we don't need to specify echo. Okay, we don't need to specify echo. And this one, double quote. Okay. So we have to end our if. And if. Okay. So another if. So yun din yung naman makikita natin in the reference. So I minimize the reference. Where is the reference? So as you can see in the reference, where's the reference? Complete reference. Okay, this one, wala na siya. So in-end it na lang natin siya. Okay, so let's try. Okay, let's try what will happen. So we are at the first display, which is 10 is equals to 10. Let's see if we commit error. Save. Then I'm going to display it here in the browser. So nothing happened. So we had an error. This error. Kumbaga dito nang galing siya. Dito nang galing yung error. But this one executes correctly. This one, the reason why we encounter error here is because we don't have a PHP tag and closing the PHP tag. Okay, we don't tell the browser or the we don't inform the that we are creating a PHP code. But if we are using this if directives, we don't no longer to specify that we are having a PHP code, because that is understood that we are creating a uh, directives or blade directives. So it is lesser coding when we use this type of procedure. Okay. Now, if we want to convert this, look at my code. So we just add we just add the directive symbol if, and we don't need this one. Okay, so nandito tayo sa else. So let's use this one, else. So we don't need to use echo anymore. And this one. And we have to erase this. And this one. So to inform that we are done with our if else statement, so we use and if. Okay, so let us look at the code on our PDF. So you just end your if. Okay, and let's go back. Let's go back to the code. Okay, I will erase this. We don't need that anymore. Okay, so this is our code. Going to save it. Save and refresh our browser. Voila. So ayan na yung output. Okay. So that is how you convert your traditional coding control structure, which is if to a blade structure in Laravel. Okay, so that's for this lesson. So I will continue, and so I'll make another video for other control statement. So for now, ito muna. So that's it. Okay, so see you.